So you might be trying to go ahead and figure out how you can go through and send a secret message or send, secret conversations or encrypted conversations on your Messenger application. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and send a conversation to somebody. So the top right corner of your iPhone, Android, whatever you have, you want to click on the compose button or go into an existing message. So in this case, I can find the contact of a certain person that I want to send a message to. So let's say it was just Mr. Beast. Now, what I could do is as soon as you go through and actually compose that message, at the very top right, there should be a button somewhere that allows you to go ahead and enable this particular button right there. So it should allow you to go through and basically just enable that button right there. And there should be a lock button. Now, if it's missing, you can try updating your particular Messenger application and go down that road. Now, for some reason, that doesn't end up working. The other thing you can do is try sending disappearing messages. So in this case, what you can do is you can get access to that chat again. So in this case, I can send this chat. If you click on their top profile right here, there should be an option here that could allow you to go and start sending disappearing messages here as well, which is another really cool thing. So that's basically how you do it. Again, you enable the lock, and that should allow you to go and start sending encrypted messages and secret combos. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, soul.